Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to see how Nifty and Bank Nifty has to perform for the next coming day. So here we have the daily chart of the Nifty, and what we have here for today is another spinning top candle. Right there is another spinning top candle. So spinning top candle is nothing but a candle with a small body and wide shadows on either side. So in this case we have a large shadow on the upper side, and also we do have a small shadow which is almost equivalent to the size of the candle's real body. So before we continue further, I request you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and to not to miss such daily analysis on Indian stock markets, especially on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, coming back to the content here. So here we have this candle, and yesterday we have discussed that this is an important level. For us to be bullish, we need to see close above this level actually. So even this level would also be fine, but the highest point out of all these candles right there is there. So today that's not the case, so which means that we don't have to be bullish, and we have missed out to see some bullish candlestick pattern right there above that level. But can we be extremely bearish about this? But uh, that's a question we should ask ourselves by looking at these candles right there. Let's see one by one here. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed that these two candles, like this red one and this large green candle, they are they have closes very close to each other, which means that they can come close to a counter attack pattern. Or earlier before that we have another indication right here in the form of hanging man candle with a proper confirmation candle right here. So in fact this confirmation candle is pretty big, that we don't have any chance to get in towards the downside direction, because we are already in this support area, and this green trend line tends to be acting as a support as well for the Nifty. But see, since that's a reversal sign, either we need to see a close up of that, or see, this is the red candle coming at the same location when the Nifty uh, is back to the same location from there. So even here we have seen a struggle, okay, and we have seen a lot of supply coming from the market, and the demand is not so the great. And yesterday we have seen a lower high and a lower low compared to the candle the day before that. But today is in fact it's a spinning top candle, but the thing is we have seen a little higher close and a little higher low with a higher high as well. But that's not enough to uh, believe that the Nifty will start rising above this point. That's because we haven't seen close above that, and we haven't seen a green candle as well there. So we are neither in a bullish situation nor in a strongly bearish situation. But if you have to be bearish if the market is coming down, we have already marked this level that is projected to the right, and we're talking about this level that is projected towards the right, and this may act as a minor support area if Nifty is falling down aggressively from this point. But that's this level remain is going to remain same. In fact, instead of that marking as a line, we can now mark this as a zone like that, and this whole thing should be acting as a resistance area. And we have a couple of red candles here, but this is the pattern which is close to the counter attack pattern. After that we haven't seen any strong candlesticks pattern yet. If you see another confirmation below this candle's close, that may taken as a little confirmation towards the downside. But until that happens, we know that this is not bullish and not strongly bearish towards the downside. But on the downside we have this level, and on the opposite we have this level in the Nifty. Now let's quickly change our charts to the Bank Nifty and see how Bank Nifty charts are doing. And if you have been so far in the video, and I once again request you to hit the subscribe button to not to miss content like this every day. And look at this here, the candle formations are almost similar if you compare these three candles right there. So if you see all these three candles which are next to each other, they're pretty similar to the formation that we have seen in the Nifty. And here also we have seen a candle which is a spinning top. Again, with this spinning top candles say that the market is indecisive for that particular time period. And here the situation is we are already in the resistance area. We are yet to see a close below this area in order to be bearish. But if you're bearish under this area, this will tend to act as a support, rising support line, since that's coming from a pretty long period. That's starting from there. So but in order to be bullish, we need to see a close definitely above this. But for that to happen, it's a pretty big gap right here. So let's not assume that that will be the case at least for tomorrow. Okay, so if only if you see a close above this, we can go bullish again. But until that happens, we are at this resistance area. Remember that we, in order even to be bearish, you need to see a close under this area with a strong, with at least a average bearish candle. So that's it, guys. I hope you have understood something from today's video. We have covered Nifty and Bank Nifty on our daily chat. So if you want more, please do let us know in the comment section, and see you in our next video. Until then, happy trading. Thank you.